Number 1. 1986 Ford Ranger, price $4,500. It's powered by a 2.9L V6 engine paired with an A4LD automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and has 129,000 miles. The truck has been tastefully refreshed with a recent repaint, near-new Goodyear tires, custom chrome mirrors, and a clean, rust-free body that's been undercoated with PB Blaster surface shield. The interior is in excellent condition with new carpet, full sound deadening, and a modern Kenwood Bluetooth stereo system featuring upgraded speakers and a custom subwoofer setup. The dash is uncracked, gauges have been upgraded, and nearly everything works, including heater, wipers, and all fan speeds. Mechanically, it runs and drives but develops a misfire after about 30 to 40 minutes. Possibly related to the TFI module despite replacements. It also idles a bit rough, and the automatic transmission makes some light whining noises on longer drives but doesn't slip. Other minor issues include partially functioning seatbelts, a slightly finicky hood latch, a small windshield leak, and amateur bondo work from a previous accident. Number 2. 1985 Ford F250, price $4,400, equipped with a powerful big block 7.5L V8 engine and an automatic transmission. It has been driven 150,600 miles and was recently brought down from Indiana, proving its reliability on the highway. With a bold red exterior and matching red interior, this classic truck runs on gasoline and carries the rugged charm of an era gone by. Though it shows signs of age with a few dents and some surface rust, it remains a solid, good driving truck that's ready for use as a workhorse or restoration project. It comes with a spare tire and a collection of extra parts, including new lenses, an oil filter, and various other miscellaneous items. Whether you're looking for a project truck or something dependable for work, this F250 has a lot of potential and character to offer. Number 3. 1985 Ford F150, price $8,500, finished in factory bright canyon red with a matching red interior. Unmodified and complete with its original smog pump, it retains its authentic character. The truck has spent its entire life in Georgia, keeping the body rust-free and solid. While there are a few minor dings, nothing stands out as major. Powered by the factory 302 EFI V8 engine and automatic transmission, it has just 80,000 miles on the odometer. It features a 3.55 rear-gear ratio, factory 4x4, and cruise control, all adding to its functionality and appeal. It likely needs a new fuel pump or pressure regulator, as it starts with starter fluid. Still, with a clean title, verified accident-free VIN, and only 3 previous owners, the 7th generation F150 would make a great addition to any collection or a solid daily driver. Number 4. 1976 Jeep J10, price $10,000, with 85,000 miles, powered by a strong 360 V8 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. It runs on gasoline and comes with a clean title. The truck has an eye-catching orange exterior with a tan interior in great shape, no rips in the cloth seats and only a common tear in the dash plastic above the speaker. While some rust is visible on the body, it's in solid condition overall for a nearly 50-year-old vehicle. The owner is selling due to a downsizing garage and no longer wants to keep the truck in outdoor storage. This J10 is a great opportunity for anyone looking for a classic manual pickup with vintage style and rugged character. Number 5. 1967 Ford F100, price $10,000, with only 61,500 miles. It's powered by the original straight-six inline engine and features an automatic transmission with power steering for a smooth and easy drive. The truck is finished in white with a black interior, featuring the desirable big back window and original Ford Steely rims with hubcaps. The interior is in good condition with no rips, and all missing chrome strips are included. This F100 has been well cared for with several new parts, including a starter, tires, gas tank, radiator, and a stereo system with Bluetooth and 4 new speakers. The AC is fully functional, and registration is paid through January 2026. Pink slip is in hand. First come, first served. This is a solid, ready-to-drive vintage truck. Number 6. 1986 Ford F350, price $8,999, finished in classic red both inside and out. This heavy-duty truck has been driven 119,000 miles and is powered by a strong 7.5L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It runs, drives, and tows exceptionally well, just recently completing a 500-mile round trip while hauling a 12,000 pounds RV without any issues. The truck is equipped with cruise control and comes with 6 brand new tires, along with a full-size spare. The rear fuel tank has been cleaned, and a new float and connectors have been installed for added reliability. The brakes have also been recently bled and inspected. Additionally, it features a removable fifth wheel hitch rated for 15,000 pounds, making it ideal for serious towing needs. This 1986 F350 is a solid, dependable workhorse with a clean North Carolina title in hand, ready for its next owner. Number 7. 1984 GMC Sierra 1500, price $7,500. This is a solid project truck with great potential. It has been driven 112,600 miles and is powered by a reliable 305 small block V8 engine. Paired with an SM465 manual transmission and an NP208 transfer case, it delivers classic 4x4 performance. The truck features 3.73 gearing, making it a capable choice for both work and off-road adventures. Finished in a matching blue exterior and interior, it carries that vintage 80s charm throughout. It runs on gasoline and includes paperwork for certain parts that have been recently installed. While it's mechanically sound, the body does need some work, ideal for someone looking to bring a classic back to life. Number 8. 1983 Ford F350, price $5,500, showing just 140,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by a reliable 6.9L diesel engine, it features a 2WD drivetrain and a 4-speed manual transmission, offering a solid and dependable driving experience. The truck runs and drives well, and it's equipped with brand new tires, a trailer brake controller, and a gooseneck ball installed in the bed, making it a great choice for towing. Finished in a striking blue exterior with a matching blue interior, this F350 not only stands out but has been well taken care of. The current owner is also in the process of installing a new seat, adding to the truck's overall cleanliness and comfort. Number 9. 1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,000, with a matching gray interior, automatic transmission, and 163,400 miles on the odometer. Powered by a gasoline engine, it stands out with minimal rust and a quality paint job done by a previous owner. In the last 2,000 miles, the truck has received numerous new parts with receipts to show the work. These include a new battery, radiator, water pump, thermostat, oil pan and gasket, timing chain cover, belt, and heater core. The suspension and steering have been refreshed with new inner and outer tie rods, upper control arms, bushings, ball joints, U-joints, front brakes and rotors, and new front wheel and spindle bearings. Number 10. 1992 GMC Sierra K1500, price $2,900. This is a well-maintained, one-owner truck that has been driven for 302,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The exterior and interior are both finished in a classic blue, giving it a cohesive and vintage look. Recently, a major clean-out of the coolant system and hoses was completed, ensuring the engine stays in great shape. Despite having the typical rust expected for its age, the truck runs very well with no mechanical issues. It comes with a clean title and has clearly been cared for throughout its life.